This is the ultimately essential aromatherapy diffuser. It has a continuous mist of about 7 or 8 hours, and then it will automatically shut off, which is a great feature. Holds 300 milliliters of water. It's very compact. This is, I'd say, about 5 inches in diameter. Oops, sorry. Didn't mean to start the demonstration yet. First thing I always recommend you do with any diffuser is plug it in, because it's lots easier to plug in before it has water in it. And since I've already hit the light button, let's just talk about the lights really quick. You have buttons here on the front. One is mist and timer and one is light, and you can see that you have some little indicator lights here to tell you what's going on as well. Comes with a manual that also tells you how to do this. Now, when you're doing the light, you can cycle through them like this, and I'm just going to go through them and start over. When you press it once, the color's fixed, and then it'll go through and cycle through all of different colors like this, which I really like this mode because it gives you something different to look at. When you start to push it again, it'll cycle through all of the different colors, but at 100% brightness and then 50% brightness. So there's 150. And this is nice depending on how you're using the light. If you want it to be more of a night light, or if you'd like to have some actual illumination from it. And then it will cycle off. This is what the inside looks like. It's very simple. You can see that 300 milliliters is the maximum. This is very easy to read. Sometimes they're not. So the way you do this is you add some water, and the instructions say don't go above the 300 or it impacts the mist. At this point, you can add, if you're using essential oils, you can add those now, or if you just want to use this to add moisture to the air, you don't have to add any essential oils. Put the lid back on. I'm going to press mist and timer once, and this will give us a continuous mist. And I can't really show you the indicator buttons, but they're cycling through as well. If I press it again, I'm not sure it actually got my press there. Let me just start over. Here's the first one. This is continuous. Second press is supposed to make it work for 10 seconds and then stop for 10 seconds. Yep. And it's working as expected. This is nice when you're using a strong essential oil and it's maybe just a little bit too much for you. You can do this and cut down the time that it runs. If you press it a third time, it'll set it for 2 hours, and if you press it a fourth time, it'll set it for 4 hours. Otherwise, if you use one of the first two modes, either the continuous or the 10 seconds on and 10 seconds off, it'll run until it is low on water, and then it will automatically shut off. 3 to 5 drops of your favorite essential oil is what it recommends to use, and less is definitely more. Essential oils are much stronger than you usually expect, so it's good to start out with a little less and then increase from there, because obviously you can't take it away. So there you go. I really like this one. It's nice and compact, has a low center of gravity. You're not likely to knock it off of your table very easily. Doesn't get hot at all, so there's no risk of burning. And my cat likes it too, as you can hear. Thanks for watching.